All right, so we're starting off this one. This is on the Chaparosa Trail, and I got the drone up in the sky here, and it's going to follow me. And you can see there it is. You can see it positioned there, and I'm looking at it. It's looking at me, and I'm ready to get onto my bike, and let's see if it follows me. Okay, so here I head out, and looking pretty good. You can see it's pretty stable, even though it does float around a little bit in the sky. You can see that. But I'm taking it pretty slowly here. Just want to make sure that it doesn't lose me. And it was really windy, actually, when I was doing this. I mean, amazingly windy. This is the trail that goes between Golden Lantern and the Chaparosa Park. There it is there. And let me see if I can zoom in on the drone a little bit here. Let's see, there we go. Okay. That way you see a little bit better on the drone and see what I'm doing. This has a lot of curves, and even with the wind, you can see that it's doing pretty good. I'm very impressed. I thought that hiker was going to be freaked out, but apparently not. I've set this up at a medium distance and at a high level so it wouldn't crash into anybody if they're walking. I'm recording the audio. You might hear it, or may not, from the GoPro mic, but it was getting a lot of wind noise and created a little bit of a problem. Okay, I was worried about the baby here. See, but she seemed to be okay. In fact, I don't even think she noticed it. You can see. Pardon the interruption here on the video. Computer's running a little slow here. I'm doing this live playback with multi-view, so I don't have to bring it into the editing software to do this. So I'm just switching between the three cameras, the body cam, the back rear cam, which I see there, and then the drone view right there. So I suppose if it was a little less windy, I would definitely do a little bit faster. But these are all recorded at 4K 30, although it doesn't quite look that way. I'm not sure why. But I was really impressed with how it follows me around the curves. No problem at all. You can see from the back camera how nice that, and it swings around in the same way that I swing when I go around a corner here. It seems it doesn't want to take a shortcut. It just actually kind of follows my same path, which is really quite interesting. It's a $199 drone, and seems to do a pretty good job. We've got some people there, so I slowed down. I see them waiting there. Okay, the dogs noticed, which is interesting. So we're heading down the road here pretty quickly. And then as I enter I'm going to be entering the park here. That's the drone view, of course. Handlebar. Rear view. I was just only worried about the wind. Oh, here's some people here, and I was a little worried about them, but slowed down. Okay, going through the gate there, and see how it did that. Pretty good. It followed me right through the gate. Pretty amazing, huh? So, I'm very impressed, and I thought this drone did a great job, considering. And move that video here, move it around a little bit. Okay. So it's following me right in there. So I'm going to, there it is approaching me. And I'm going to put my hand out. Okay.